Welcome. In front of me is a Hotwav Note 12, and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, we're going to open up our standalone contacts application, which should be located on one of the pages or in an app tray right over here. Now, as you can see, I do have a Google account signed in, which does play a little bit of a role. I am going to touch upon that in a second when it actually is more important, but tapping on this will also allow us to switch to different locations where you might have contacts. For me, that's nothing else. As you can see, I only have Google account and nothing below. But depending on where I import contacts, I might have new options there, or not might, but I will. So let's get started by selecting Fix and Manage, and then we're going to select Import from SIM. This will in turn display all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. Now, in this case, majority of them are deselected, actually about half of them, because it's trying to by default import these contacts to the Google account, which already has contacts on it. But as you can see, this is a drop down, so we can tap on it and select other places to import these contacts to. And obviously you can choose multiple Google accounts if you have multiple signed in, so you could choose whichever one you want. And if you only have one, like for instance I do, I also have the option to import it to the device. If I select this, these contacts don't exist on the device, so in turn it will allow me to import all of them. And the device easily selects all of them without much hassle. So if you don't want all, you could just deselect some. From there, click on Import. No, I'm not going to be backing it up. Keep off. That's what I like to have. Obviously, you can back up these contacts to your Google account if you want to. But anyway, once we go back to our contacts, we can now tap on this icon and we can choose, for instance, this device, which will show the contacts that I have imported to the device. And obviously, you don't need to import them to the device. You can do that to the Google account, which will sync these contacts between every other device that has this account signed in. So it might have additional benefits over the device. I just wanted to import it somewhere where you will clearly see that these contacts have been imported. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.